Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian cooking channel. Today I'll make a traditional Bengali fish recipe which is popularly known as Mourala macher Bati Chorchori. For making this recipe, I took 250 grams Mola Carplet fish. It's a freshwater tiny fish. Add half a teaspoon salt and mix well with the fish. Keep aside for minimum 10 minutes. Then rinse 2 to 3 times with cold water. Now to remove the gut of the fish, lightly press and remove the guts. Repeat the same process of cleaning. Then put in a kadai, add a teaspoon turmeric powder and a teaspoon salt. Add 2 tablespoons mustard oil. Mix well with your hand. Keep aside for 10 minutes. I will make this recipe with veggies, so I took 3 onions, 2 potatoes and 3 to 4 green chilies. Cut potatoes and onion into thin slices and slit the green chilies. Mix all the veggies with the fish. You can add other veggies like brinjal. Now mix well with your hand. Mix lightly, otherwise fish can break. All pieces of veggies and the fish should be well coated with the masala. Mix 2 tablespoons curd with this and again mix well with your hand. Mixing process is very important for this Bati Chorchori recipe. Turn on the flame and put the kadai. Cook over medium heat for first 3 minutes. Don't turn it over at this stage. Then reduce the heat and cook over low heat for 5 minutes. Add few coriander leaves. Mix well. At this stage, turn it over carefully so that skin of fish should not break. Repeat the process of flipping and turning after each 1 minute. Traditionally, this recipe is cooked with covering, but I like to cook without covering. Cook until fish are crispy and the veggies are well cooked. It will take minimum 8 to 10 minutes. Delicious Mourala macher Bati Chorchori is ready for serving. Serve it with steamed rice. You can serve it with roti or chapati also. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.